In 2019, a radiologist named Dr. Sarah Chun spent 12 years training to read medical scans. By 2023, an AI could match her diagnostic accuracy after training for 3 months. By 2025, it surpassed her. By 2027, her hospital replaced her entire department with AI systems that never sleep, never make mistakes, and cost 90% less. She lost her job to optimization, and she never saw it coming. This is how artificial intelligence could secretly replace every human job by 2040, not through a dramatic robot uprising, through a quiet, systematic, economically rational process happening, one spreadsheet decision at a time. And by the time we notice, it will be too late to stop. We're told AI is a tool, not a replacement. Graphic designers use AI to generate concepts faster. Programmers use AI to write code. Writers use AI to draft outlines. The AI does the grunt work. Humans do the creative thinking. Perfect partnership. But here's what the productivity statistics hide. When a designer uses AI, they can do the work of 5 designers, which means companies only need 1 designer instead of 5. Productivity goes up. Headcount goes down. Multiplication always leads to division. The first wave begins, not dramatic layoffs. Strategic attrition. Companies stop hiring replacements when people quit. A marketing team of 10 becomes 7, then 5, then 3. The remaining workers use AI to maintain the same output. 70% of the jobs disappeared, and nobody noticed because the work still got done. Customer service is the canary in the coal mine. In 2024, Klarna replaced 700 customer service agents with an AI chatbot. Customer satisfaction went up. Costs dropped 90%. By 2028, 80% of customer service jobs are handled by AI. The humans who remain handle the 5% of cases AI can't solve. Exception handlers. They're next. The second wave hits professional jobs. Law firms discover AI can review contracts 100 times faster than junior associates with 95% accuracy. A junior associate bills $600,000 a year. The AI costs $50,000. The math is brutal. By 2028, law firms stop hiring junior associates. The career ladder just lost its bottom rungs. Accounting follows the same path. By 2029, entry-level accounting jobs drop 60%. Medical diagnosis becomes an AI specialty. Systems can diagnose diseases with accuracy matching human doctors. By 2031, Dr. Sarah Chun retrains as a general practitioner. AI systems are better at that too. She's 41 years old with $300,000 in medical school debt and no career path. Millions discover the expertise they spent decades building is now available as a subscription service for $99 per month. The third wave is creative jobs. The ones we were certain I could never do. Art, music, writing, film. These require human soul, except AI doesn't need emotions to simulate them. It just needs data, and we gave it everything. Every song ever recorded. Every book ever written. We uploaded human creativity to train AI models. Hollywood discovers AI can write screenplays that test better with audiences than human scripts. By 2032, 60% of streaming content is AI-generated. Writers strike. Studios shrug. The content keeps flowing. Music follows. AI generates professional quality songs in any genre in minutes. By 2033, 70% of background music is AI-generated. Human musicians can't compete with free. Graphic design becomes fully automated. By 2034, freelance design work drops 75%. Even management disappears. Amazon's warehouse system already makes operational decisions. By 2033, companies realize they don't need human managers. The AI sends instructions directly to workers. Middle management evaporates. Project management becomes automated. AI tracks progress and reallocates resources better than humans. Even executive decisions become AI-driven. CEOs who follow AI recommendations outperform those who trust their gut. Boards notice. By 2036, major corporations have AI making strategic decisions with human executives just implementing them. The executives aren't leading. They're translating. Society fractures. The employed and the unemployable. The employed are the 15% with jobs AI can't do yet. Therapists, nurses, electricians, plumbers, jobs requiring physical presence or human touch. The unemployable are everyone else, not because they're lazy, because their skills are obsolete. A lawyer with 20 years' experience is unemployable because AI does legal research better. Retraining is a joke. Learn to code, they said in 2020. By 2037, AI writes better code. The math doesn't work when AI is better at every new skill, faster than humans can learn it. Universal basic income becomes inevitable, not because politicians want it, because the alternative is social collapse. But I doesn't solve the real problem. The problem isn't income, it's purpose, it's meaning. What do you do when there's nothing left to do? 65% of adults don't have traditional employment. They survive on UBI. The AI economy is incredibly efficient. GDP is growing. Corporate profits are soaring. The economy is thriving. But the people aren't. Because an economy isn't just about production. It's about dignity. It's about purpose. And we built an economy that optimized for efficiency and forgot about humanity. Here's what makes this terrifying. Every step is economically rational. Every replacement makes sense on a spreadsheet. We optimized our way into obsolescence one rational decision at a time. And companies don't say we're replacing humans. They say digital transformation. The language hides the reality. But is this inevitable? Or is this a choice we're making right now? We need AI deployment transparency. We need retraining mandates with real consequences. We need robust UBI funded by AI productivity taxes. We need to invest in jobs AI can't do and redefine what productivity means beyond just efficiency. 2040 is 15 years away. That's enough time to change course if we start now. So here's my question for you. In 2040, when your kids ask what you did when AI was replacing human jobs, what will you tell them? The choice is yours. But the clock is ticking. And I isn't waiting.